Today in this video, I show you how to change app icon size on Android. For this, you have to open setting. Now you can search app icon size here and open this setting like this, or you can go back and scroll down to find home screen. Now open home screen setting and now you can see icon size option. You just have to open this and then you can change your app icon size like this. Choose according to your choice and go back. Now you can see the app icon size is changed. In some devices you may not find this type of setting. For example, I have Samsung device in which you have to open setting and then search app screen grid. Now you have to open this setting. Now you can change your app size like this. After selecting the size, click on done and you can see app icon size is changed. So that's all you have to do for changing app icon size. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.